Hi folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to do a virtual walk around for you on a 2012 Nissan Altima. It's the two-door coupe. It's white with a black cloth interior, 101,000 miles on it, part of our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. Very clean, folks. 2.5S. We service all the credit tiers, good credit, bad credit, no credit. We've got a program for everybody, folks. And we're here 7 days a week. So come on down, ask for any one of our sales guys.